and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got an exciting new company to do an unboxing for today. So they're new to me anyway. Sorry, let me get a cutter that might actually cut. I've got one that's got an edge off a blade, but hang on. This is well packaged up. It does have plastic and then tape. I'm just trying to find the best way to get into it. So this is, a new to me company. The designs are all their own, but these two are a couple of amazing ones. So I did ask them to choose because sometimes it's extremely hard and they caught me on a busy week. There we go. Okay, so they're both in their own boxes, and as I say, it is their own artwork. Now there are a couple of different ways that you can get their artwork. So you can choose to have it on an eco oil canvas or a silk flocking canvas. You can have it in round drill or square drill, and there is an option of sizes as well. So there's lots of different choices. They are resin drills, so they're the nicer quality drills, and each image does include at least 2 AB drills to be able to give the artwork a bit of extra sparkle. Now the box on one of them has got a little bit bashed, but not too much. It does have some instructions in relation to how to diamond paint, and it does state that it includes a high definition premium quality canvas, white tray, drill pen and wax. So let's go for the first one. This one is in a 30 by 40. I will pop links down below to each of these so that you can see. This feels like it is the silk flock canvas, but you do get the nice white tray, some pieces of blue wax, which for some reason I prefer to pink, and you do get a single placing blue pen in your toolkit. So this first image is Aries. Say it is a 30 by 40. What they have also said, oh, that's really nice. For a 30 by 40, that is really, really nice. It is square drills. I was just checking whether the square does equal square. Let me just check out the size before I tell you the other thing that they told me. Yeah, so it is a true 30 by 40. So it is true to size, the actual diamond painting area. It's on a really nice canvas. It has 35 different colours, and the ABs are in there. They're just, rather than being put at the top or the bottom, they are in the DMC. Oh, there's also one that says gold. Ooh, exciting. So yeah, so I'm going to have a look at that. What they have also said is their kits do have a special feature. So each kit will include a luminous resin diamond painting pen with different size plastic tips. So I have a blue one in here, and then the second one, if you order 2, the second one comes with metal placing tips in a case. So say this one has a blue luminous pen. If I turn my lights off, can you see that before it focused, but the pen is lighting up. So, oh, let me pop that back on. So this one has 35 different colours. We have a 318 AB, we have a 3827 AB, and we have this that says gold. Ooh, it is a very gold looking. Okay, so let's have a look at the special drills. They are your other colours. So it is quite a dark painting. There is quite a bit of 310. It's actually not this colour around here. This is 939. The 310 is more in the middle. It is more in the middle design that's darker, mixed in with 939. But that's your 3827. That's your 318. And that is your gold. So ignore the bottom because of course that'll get put down. But this does actually have like a more of an antique-y gold, but it's a nice sparkly gold. So let's have a look at where they go. So 318 is the letter N. So we have this scattered in Aries ram's head here. And then we do have some scattered in different places around here. So you get a bit of sparkle in a couple of different places. The 3827, that is primarily, there is a little bit here. So it's not a full covering. So if you can see the letter A, it is mixed in with another colour, which is good. I prefer it when it's scattered, but there is parts of it around here. There's little bits around here. There's also some bits around here where you've got this darker colour, and then there's also some scattered down here. There probably is more. In fact, there's just one or two scattered in different places around here. So you've got your grey here, and you've got scatterings of your peachy colour up there, and then your gold is primarily on your Aries symbol. In fact, I think it's only on the Aries symbol. I'm just double checking there is none sort of the odd scattering elsewhere. But no, I'm not seeing any as a single scattering elsewhere. So your gold will give you your Aries symbol. And then you have, a scattering of the other ABs. There's scatterings in here and in here of the grey. And then there's scatterings of the peach sort of round the ram's head, and a few little bits around the top there as well. And so this is in the 30 by 40 size, which is the second size up. You can get this as big as 90 by 120. So if you like your star sign symbols, you can get them really, really big. But this, to me, that's a nice size. You can tell what it is. That's for sure, and you still get a lot of detail in here. So that is kit number 1. And then kit number 2, I'm just going to get the link up so that I can confirm with this one. So this one is called Majestic Retreats. So it's not a zodiac symbol, it is more of a landscape symbol. This one says it has 3 ABs. This one again is in a 30 by 40, but this is my second kit. So in this one I actually get a luminous pen, but with some wax and some tips. Some different tips for the pens as well. Very nice. And this one happens to be purple. So let's have a look at this one. We also get a standard toolkit as well. But this one is a beautiful house scene with a bridge, well, a house in the background and sort of steps up to a bridge. This one, again, I would say is the flock canvas. They don't feel different to me. So I think this one is the flock canvas as well. waterproof, anti-fade, non-ironing, and it's green. So green as it can be. I say these are resin drills as well. This one has 40 different colours, and we have 3 ABs in this one. So let's have a look at the AB placement, and then I will let you know of the awesome offer that YLJ has offered us. Oh, we've got some lime green. Okay, so we do have some 310 AB, which is black AB. This is scattered, so it is scattered throughout the sort of bushes around here. It's also in little bits of the shading in the detail of the house. There's some here. There's also some in the shadows around here and down here by the sort of steps and the path. And then there is also quite a bit down here in the sort of big flower bush. Now, this is one that I do think will look better once the diamonds are on. They have used quite a lot of white on black symbols. So if you can see here, there's quite a lot. You see where there's the big triangle? That can sort of make a picture look a bit different in its blank state before you put diamonds on, when there's big symbols like that. So we've got quite big symbols here with the heart in the white, and again then we've got a spade, and we've got diamonds, and we've got clubs, so it can sort of skew how the painting looks a little bit. But all of your shading, all of your black parts of shading, which is not blocky, it's definitely scattered in different places, is using a Sparkle 310. Then we have 728 AB, which is this yellow. This one is scattered in the flowers here. It's also, well, there's one there in that little grouping of flowers. There is also some in this tree. So most of it is in little bits of this tree. And then 907 AB, of which I love a green AB, we have that scattered in with these flowers, so with the yellow. You've got them scattered in there to highlight that. You've also got some in the green here that you can see in between the little slats of the bridge. We've also got some over here, and then some again in this green up here. So sort of this big bush, or what looks like a big bush that is behind the bridge. There is all sorts of scatterings of that green AB there. There's a little bit as well within the tree, so your tree will be highlighted, and then there is just a few in the greenery around here as well. This one is also a square drill, but it is available in round as much as it's available in square. And this one you can also get, the biggest size is 90 by 120. So a really big size, but I think that is a nice size, 30 by 40. I think once the diamonds are on there, because of the symbols that have been used, that will be a nice one. But say you can go to 45 to 60 or even higher. So very nice kits. I do like the designs. I do like the fact that they're both very different as well, depending on what your tastes are. But Alex has been amazing. He is offering a code which will get you 10% discount on your first order on their website. So the code is Rebecca10. I will pop the code down below along with a link to each of these paintings if they've taken your fancy. Or of course you can go and have a browse and see what sort of artwork is there. But it is, say, his own artwork. So you can go and have a browse and get them in effect directly from the artist, but definitely licensed. So thank you so much to Alex for sending me these to share with you all. The website I will link below, but it is YLJ Art Shop that have sent me these. But yeah, I will speak to you all again soon.